So the open space method is very simple. It has 4 laws and it has 4 principles and 1 law, and the principles tell you how you are supposed to be in that open space. So the first principle is whatever happens is the only thing that could have, meaning thereby once you start your small round table meeting and discussion, you are not bothered who is coming to your table, what is the outcome. You are just letting things be, just holding space for people to come and share their views or ideas or questions around a topic that has been posed. So this is the first principle. Whatever happens is the only thing that could have. The second principle is whosoever come are the right people. So if you are hosting a small round table and on your table only 2 people are coming, whereas at your neighbor's table there are 10 people who are engaged in conversations. So don't feel bad, don't take it personally. Remember that principle that those 2 people who are there at your table are the right people at the right time to discuss about that topic that you have chosen for the round table. So it really gives a sense of ease for the host who has hosted the table as the leader of that particular topic. The third principle is whenever it starts, it's the right time. So in open space, we have kind of a schedule where there are time slots for people to choose. But once a meeting starts, it could be possible that once people start gathering on that small table, they may begin after 10 minutes because they are just introducing themselves or talking about something else, and they begin the formal hosting of the table after 10 minutes. That is also perfectly fine. So there should not be any stress that, oh, we were supposed to start at 2:30 and we are 5 minutes late and what will happen. No such pressure is there on the participants. And the fourth principle is when it is over, it is over. When it is not over, it is not over. Meaning thereby that suppose there is a 1 hour time slot for that small round table and people are so engaged in their conversations, they are really bringing up ideas, they are listening and they want to continue for 1.5 hours. That is also perfectly fine. So as the table host, one doesn't have to rush that no, time is up, now please wind up your discussion, because then you are leaving things half baked. So that is not at all, you can skip that and you can feel relaxed that when it is over, it is over. When it is not over, it is not over. So it is possible that one round table extends beyond the stipulated time just because people are passionate about it and they want to continue discussing about a certain topic.